Now that we've looked at styles, it's worth now revisiting the numbering. You can see that when we created this particular document in the headings, we have this as heading 1, and we've put this 1 dot numbering here. And then heading 2 is 1.1 because it is a subheading. And then we have 1.2, which is also a heading 2. And then we then have another subheading, which is heading 3, 1.2.1. But these numbers themselves have been created manually. In the same way we typed introduction, we also typed 1.1, which means that if I needed to insert a section into here perhaps, and I also call it 1.2, I would like this to then automatically be updated. So we can get Word to do that. What we need to do is we need to come up to here, and when I click on the multi-level list, you will see that I've got a multi-level list in terms of numbers and also letters, but also you can see that I've got some associated with headings. And in fact, as I hover over it, it shows in more detail the particular style, and I can see that this is actually the one I'm probably more interested in because it's got the multiple headings and it just keeps creating additional numbers. So I'm going to click on this. What you'll see is that it's automatically put in this numbering here, but because I had this text here previously, I just need to go through and just remove that text. Now you'll see that even in the styles themselves, they've had this number added to them as well. So for example, if this subheading I want to promote, I just hover over the heading and you'll see that it automatically chooses the next number, the number 2. So allowing Word to manage your headings and the numberings associated with them means that intelligence will ensure that there's consistency throughout your document. And of course, when you create your table of contents, it will ensure that all the numbers are correct and in the correct ordering. If you ever do need to update a numbering, all you need to do is click on here, right click, and you can set the numbering value here or continue the numbering. Another thing just to remind you is if, for example, you want to change the indentation, remember you've got these ruler up here which allows you to just drag particular indent. And if I want to apply that to all of them, all I now need to do is I need to right click on it, come to styles, and update heading 2 to match the selection, and you'll see that they're now all indented accordingly. So what we've just done is we've just pulled together a number of different concepts there. We've pulled together the multi-level numbering, we've pulled together the styles, we've pulled together the ruler, and see how when we use them all together, it's a very, very powerful way of ensuring consistency throughout your document. As usual, give it a go.